NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a shockwave effect in Sharefactory, and this is a nice and quick and easy shockwave effect to make. So I'll show you how to do it and then a couple of options on how to make your shockwave effect a bit different. So playing now is the original clip, and then what we'll do is show you how to go into this and make it a shockwave clip. So what you want to do is let it play just before you're about to make the kill. Then you want to use the D-pad on the controller to start moving it frame by frame. And then as soon as you're about to pull the trigger, then you want to push the square button and split the clip. Okay, once you split the clip, that creates two separate clips. And on the original clip, the first one, what you want to do is push the cross button, and we want to go to add transition. On the left hand side, go down to wipes and then all the way to the bottom of these selections, and then you can just click on ellipse explode. Once you click on that, it adds this transition between the two clips. Now it's not much in itself, but one of the main things that looks good on a shockwave effect is when you go from black and white to color. So we're going to push the cross button and go to add filter on the first clip, and then we can choose any of these black and white sort of effects that you want. So I'm going to show you at the end, we're going to show you what a few of these look like, but I'm going to click on black and white to start with just to show you that. So black and white, and there you go, the first clip is black and white. Let's see that play. So we go from black and white to color, and that looks really good. Now it doesn't end there, we can do a few things to make that a little bit different. Push the plus button and go to add layout, and then go down to vignette layouts, and you can choose any of these, but we're going to click on time bender vignette, and then that puts the border around the outside, will make it look a little bit older. And then the other thing you could do is go to the second clip and make that stand out a little bit by pushing add filter again, and then go to saturate, which really makes those colors pop a little bit. So you're going from black and white to really bright colors there. Then you can change the settings on the transition. So if you hover over the transition and push the square button on the controller, and then you can go to the edit transition and then go across to transition settings. And then you can change this feathering so that it makes that border around the sort of oval shape that little bit wider. And you can go down and push the square button on the color as well, and you can change the color to what that you want that to be. So let's just see, maybe choose this blue down here, and then that will change that to whatever color you want, and then you can just see what that looks like and play about with it. And we can just play this and see what that looks like with just that happening with the blue color as well. So a few other things you could try is just changing the filters on the first and second clip. So for example, on the first clip, let's try a few things. We can push the square button and go to edit filter, and then delete the filter and confirm. And now we can push the cross button and go to add filter, and then let's just choose a different one. Let's just choose luminance. There you go, it changes. Again, it's a black and white sort of effect, but it might be something more what you're interested in. Again, goes to color. Let's try a different one. Push the cross button, add filter, and then let's just go to this one, which is inverted. That gives a hint of color, but it's still quite a dark sort of grainy sort of color, so worth considering that. Let's try another one, add filter, and let's go down to sepia. So that's kind of gives a kind of warmer sort of black and white sort of effect. So again, try that. And we'll give you another example, add filter. Let's go down to dreamy, I think. So let's go to click on dreamy. I like that one as well. So there it is, dreamy, and there you go, it gives that sort of effect as well. So there are a few different options, but play about with them, see what you think. So hopefully you found this useful. Please do use support creator code NoMoreNoobie in the item shop. I really do appreciate it. And here's some other videos that you may find useful. There's lots in the playlist. If you found this useful, please hit the like button, please subscribe if you haven't already, and please comment below if you found this useful. Thanks very much for watching, and bye.